Hello and welcome back to EasyCast, the podcast where you learn English step by step. This is Vocabulary Master, Episode 2. Today, we'll learn 20 important English words from Unit 2. For each word, I'll say the meaning, give an example, and help you understand how to use it. So, grab your notebook or just relax and listen. Let's start learning. The first word is adventure, meaning a fun or exciting trip. Example, our hike was an adventure. Maybe you go to the mountains and it's new, fun, exciting. That's an adventure. Word 2, approach, meaning to move closer. Example, the dog approached me slowly. Approach means to go near something or someone. The third word is carefully, meaning with attention. Example, please drive carefully. It means to do something with focus and no mistakes. Word number 4, chemical, meaning a substance made by science. Example, the water has no harmful chemicals. Chemicals can be good or bad in water, food, or cleaning products. The next word is create, meaning to make something new. Example, she created a nice painting. Create means to make something, art, music, or even a podcast, like me. Word number 6, evil, meaning very bad or cruel. Example, the villain was evil. An evil person hurts others, like a bad guy in movies. The next word is experiment, meaning a scientific test. Example, we did a science experiment in class. In school, we do experiments in the laboratory. Word number 8, kill, meaning to make someone or something die. Example, the snake killed the mouse. This is a strong word. It means to end a life. Word number 9, laboratory, meaning a place for science tests. Example, she works in a chemistry laboratory. Scientists do experiments in the laboratory. Word number 10, laugh. It means to make a happy sound. Example, they laughed at the funny story. Laughing means you're happy. It's a great feeling. Word 11, loud, meaning make a lot of noise. Example, that music is too loud. When something is loud, it's hard to think. The next word is nervous, meaning worried or afraid. Example, I'm nervous before exams. You feel nervous when something important is about to happen. The next word is noise, meaning a sound. Example, what is that noise? Noise can be good, like music, or bad, like traffic. Number 14, project, meaning a task or assignment. Example, we did a school project together. A project can be for school, work, or fun. Word number 15, scare, meaning to make someone afraid. Example, the movie scared me. Scary movies scare people, especially at night. Number 16, secret, meaning something not told to others. Example, can you keep a secret? A secret is private, something you don't share. Word 17, shout, meaning to speak very loudly. Example, don't shout at me. People shout when they're angry or very excited. Word number 18, smell, meaning to use your nose to sense something. Example, This flower smells good. Smell helps you enjoy flowers, food, or avoid danger. Number 19. Terrible, meaning very bad. Example, that was a terrible idea. Terrible is worse than bad. And finally, word number 20. Worse, meaning not as good as before. Example, today is worse than yesterday. We use worse to compare two bad things. Now let's review. I'll say the word, you repeat after me. Adventure, approach, carefully, chemical, create, evil, experiment, kill, laboratory, laugh, loud, nervous, noise, project, scare, secret, shout, smell, terrible, worse. Great job! Thank you for listening to today's episode of Vocabulary Master from EasyCast. This was part 2, and we still have many more words to learn. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Cherry, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning.